Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca, and just so you guys all know beforehand, I am sick, so this will be a very interesting video. Um, so today I wanted to do the book presentation on a nonfiction book. It's called Boy, Were We Wrong About Dinosaurs. Um, you can see there's some dinosaurs and there's some scientists over here. It's by Kathleen V. Kunlinski, and then it's illustrated by S.D. Schindler. Um, and the reason why I believe that this is nonfiction, well, I know it's nonfiction, is especially because of in the back. Oh, that was giving you away the answer. Right here. So first it gives you a little timeline of the story, and then it gives you some works cited pages. It also shows you down here many different scientists that were involved in the making of this book. Um, so the facts in this book are very accurate. Let me read a few pages for you. So long ago, before people knew anything about dinosaurs, giant bones were found in China. Wise men who saw the bones tried to guess what sort of enormous animal they could have come from. After they studied the fossil bones, the ancient Chinese decided that they came from dragons. They thought these dragons must have been magic dragons to be so large, and they believed that dragons could still be alive. Boy, were they wrong. No one knows exactly what dinosaurs looked like. All that is left of them are fossil bones and a few other clues. Now we think that many of our own past guesses about dinosaurs were just as wrong as those of ancient China. Some of our mistakes are little ones. When the first fossil bones of iguanodon were found, one was shaped like a rhino's horn. Scientists guessed that this strange bone fit like a spike on an iguanodon's nose. Boy, were we wrong about iguanodons. When a full set of fossil bones were found later, there were two pointed bones. They are part of iguanodon's hands, not its nose. So that gives you some idea. It also goes on to talk about, like we know now, how some dinosaurs may have had feathers, that they weren't warm-blooded, but they weren't cold-blooded, and many different things about dinosaurs. And one thing that I think is important in this book is it discusses the difference between the theory and the facts. And so, like what I was just telling you right now in the iguanodons, they guess that the strange bone fit as a spike, but now we know because of finding these new fossils that they were part of the iguanodon's hands, not its nose. And so that just gives kids like a better view of what the dinosaurs may have looked like, and also that although we have fossils, there's a lot of other things that we need to know if our theory is correct. Now, I mean, in Donnie Norton's textbook of evaluating informational nonfiction, I think it's important to talk about it being believable. Notice how none of the dinosaurs are talking about the facts. So they might be talking here, but the facts are up here. And so it doesn't really need the animals to talk in order to have the facts put out. I think the illustrations are very great. It shows the feathered dinosaurs as well as how some of the dinosaurs were different colors. But one thing, the last thing that I want to focus on is at the end the last sentence, and I'll show you the picture. The last sentence is, when you grow up, you may be the scientist who makes us all say, boy, were we wrong about dinosaurs. And I think that's just, it's the thought-provoking effect that when they grow up, they can find more facts on dinosaurs and that we haven't found all of them. And so, yeah, I think this book is great for little kids who are really interested about dinosaurs, and I will be sharing it with one of my students that I'm teaching in my literacy practicum. Have a great day.